The world feels ordinary until a few simple truths pull the floorboards up. These aren't trivia, they're lenses. Once you look through them, everyday reality feels bigger, stranger, and more beautiful than it did 5 minutes ago. Here are 5 fresh, mind-bending facts to permanently change your perspective. Number 5, 95% of the universe is invisible to us. Everything you see, stars, planets, you, coffee mugs, adds up to roughly 5% of the cosmos. The rest is dark matter, about 27%, and dark energy, about 68%. Dark matter acts like hidden scaffolding that holds galaxies together. Dark energy is the mysterious pressure making the universe expand faster and faster. We don't see them directly. We infer them from how galaxies move and how space stretches. Imagine walking through a city at night where only 5% of the buildings have their lights on. That's our universe. Mostly there, mostly unseen, still shaping everything. 4. There are more possible chess games than atoms in the observable universe. Chess looks small, 64 squares, 32 pieces, but after just a handful of moves, the branching choices explode. The estimated number of unique chess games, the Shannon number, is around 10 on 120. The estimated number of atoms in the observable universe is around 10 on R80. That means the space of chess stories is, in a precise sense, bigger than the physical inventory of the cosmos. A wooden board on a kitchen table can hold more possibilities than there are atoms to label them. Number 3. Fold a sheet of paper 42 times and you'd reach the moon. Paper is thin, about 0.1 millimeters. Fold it in half and it doubles. Fold again, doubles again. After 42 ideal folds, no tearing, perfect doubling, the thickness exceeds the Earth-Moon distance, 384,000 kilometers. That's the raw power of exponential growth, quiet at first, impossible at the end. The same math explains why compound interest builds fortunes, why viral trends erupt, and why "I'll start tomorrow" is a dangerous plan. Exponentials don't knock, they burst through the door. Number 2. You are racing through space at breathtaking speeds while sitting still, standing quietly in your room. You're moving with Earth's rotation up to the 1670 km h at the equator, plus Earth's orbit around the Sun, 107,000 km h, plus the Sun's orbit around the Milky Way, 828,000 km h, plus the galaxy's drift through the cosmic web. The exact vector sum depends on where and when you are, but stillness is a local illusion. You're surfing a stack of cosmic conveyor belts, and the night sky is the scenery blurring past. Number 1. A teaspoon of neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons, crush a mountain's worth of matter so tightly that atoms collapse and electrons fuse with protons. What's left is neutron star matter, a city-sized sphere with more mass than the Sun. A single teaspoon of this stuff on Earth would outweigh the largest skyscrapers combined. Gravity there bends light, warps time, and drags space itself. It's the universe whispering, density changes everything. The same rules that hold your coffee cup together, pushed to extremes, make stars ring like bells and space curve like a muscle flexing. 5 facts, 1 lesson. Intuition is local. Reality is wider. When you learn to spot exponentials, invisible scaffolds, impossible densities, and the motion hidden inside rest, the world stops being ordinary and turns into a living puzzle you can actually solve.